This morning we are standing in for the Nigerian Bar Association. Yes. Well, the court has made its findings, court has made its ruling, and thankfully there are still 2 more steps provided by the law for us to decide whether we want to. There are still 2 more steps for us to go in the judicial hierarchy. We have applied for the CTC of the ruling. We would study it accordingly and take the next step at the appropriate time.
What of the pronouncement of the judge concerning this matter? Can you give us a background into this case specifically?
Yeah, it has to do with a police officer who was dismissed by the Nigerian police force on the ground that she got pregnant while in service. We came to court on behalf of the NBA, went to court on behalf of that person, seeking an interpretation of the Constitution, not just with specific reference to that person who was dismissed by the Nigerian police, but for the court to make a blanket pronouncement regarding the applicability of that regulation 127 vis-a-vis the 1999 Constitution as regards the fundamental rights of persons under the law. So we went to court to challenge that, and issues were joined. This morning the court has ruled dismissing our claim on the ground that the plaintiff, as the police officer now on whose behalf the NBA went to court, having voluntarily enlisted in the Nigerian police force, is more or less waived his right to object to the provisions of Regulation 127. In other words, there is no conflict between it and the Constitution, since she was not compelled to be enlisted. She voluntarily enlisted, she had waived those rights. We will look at it and take the appropriate steps at the appropriate time. I wouldn't want to say that, but I said we'll do the appropriate thing at the appropriate time.
All right, thank you.